In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to N8n using an API token. We're going to walk through the full setup in a simple, practical way so you can get your automation connected and working correctly. The overall goal here is to allow N8n to communicate with your Monday.com account, whether you want to read data from your boards, create new items, or build more advanced workflows later on. To begin, open Monday.com and generate an API token. This token acts like a secure key that gives N and 8N permission to access your Monday.com data. When you create it, make sure you store it safely and avoid sharing it anywhere publicly. It's important to treat this token like a password, since anyone with access to it could potentially interact with your account through the API. Once you have your token ready, open N8n. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and create a new workflow. This gives you a clean space to build and test the connection before adding more logic or automation steps. Keeping your first workflow simple is a good idea, especially when you're just confirming that authentication works properly. Next, add Monday.com as a node in your workflow. If the dedicated Monday.com node is available and fits your use case, that's usually the easiest option because it's already designed for this platform. If you need more flexibility, or if you want to work directly with the API, you can instead use an HTTP request node. Both approaches can work well, so the right choice depends on how much control you want over the request. After that, paste your Monday.com API token securely into the credentials or authentication section in N8n. Take a moment to double check that the token has been copied correctly with no missing characters or extra spaces. Small copy and paste mistakes are a common reason connections fail, so this is worth verifying carefully. Once the token is in place, choose the action you want to perform. For example, you might want to read boards to pull information from Monday.com or create items to send new data into a board automatically. Start with a basic action if possible, since simpler tests make troubleshooting much easier. Finally, run a test workflow to confirm the connection works. If everything is set up correctly, N8n should be able to connect to Monday.com and return a successful result. If it doesn't work on the first try, review the token, the selected node, and the chosen action settings. Once the test succeeds, you'll know your connection is ready and you can continue building the rest of your automation with confidence.